If you're in After Effects and you have a mask on your layer, or you happen to have a shape and you can't see the path, so right now I have a mask on one of my layers and I have it selected here and I can't see it. I can't find the mask, and the mask is right about here. Where did it go? Well, you probably accidentally unselected your mask path visibility or your shape path visibility, depending on what you can't see. So if you go here to your screen and you toggle this back on, you should be able to see it. There we go. There's our path. Now I can grab the points or move the whole thing. And now I can see it again. And if I ever don't want to see it again, for whatever reason, maybe it's clogging up your viewport, you don't want the distraction, you can just turn it off and it is all gone. This is also true with shapes. So if I draw a shape here, let me just get out of my layer so that I don't accidentally draw a mask. Okay. And then say I have a shape here. Boom, boom. Nice diamond. I right now can see my path. It's that purple line, and here are all my handles. But if this were off, I would see my shape and I would see its bounding box here, but I wouldn't see that purple path that I was talking about or any of the handles, so I couldn't change it. So this may be what you're experiencing, and if that's the case, just toggle that bad boy back on and you'll be able to edit accordingly. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, please give me a like and check out my playlist in After Effects where I have lots of tips and tricks like this one. Thank you. Bye.